let me introduce India ka intelligent smartphone presenting the JioPhone. May I now invite Isha, Akash, and Kiran on stage to give you a demo of some of the incredible features of the JioPhone.
Hello everyone. The JioPhone is an awesome innovation made in India by young Indians for all Indians. It is our great honor to introduce to you the JioPhone today on behalf of the entire team at Jio. The JioPhone may look familiar, and this is intentional. It is designed to be extremely easy and friendly to use. But that is where all the similarity ends.
Absolutely. We have disrupted everything about this phone. And what you are about to see is the most intelligent, affordable phone in the whole world.
The JioPhone is a 100% 4G LTE phone, and it has a unique and revolutionary user interface for a phone of this kind. It supports all of India's 22 major languages. Bhasha Anek, Bharat Ek.
While you can still use the keyboard, with the JioPhone, you can simply speak to the phone. And the JioPhone understands and acts on your voice command. Akash and Kiran are now going to use their handsets to walk us through this incredible phone.
Can we please mirror our phone screens on the presentation screen, please?
Thank you. We can see our screens. किरण शुरू करते हैं एक फोन कॉल से वॉइस कमांड पे. कॉल किरण.
Okay, looks like I have a missed call from Akash. Let me now try to reply to him with an SMS, again using the voice command. Message, Akash. Sorry, can't take your call, slightly busy right now.
Got it. Your voice command works flawlessly, Kiran.
Isn't this impressive? It works just like magic. Now let me show you how easy it is to browse the internet on the JioPhone. When is Ganesh Chaturthi?
Ganesh Chaturthi is on Friday, 20th August 2017.
with the JioPhone, all the information of the world, the internet, is available at your fingertips, or the tip of your tongue if you so prefer. And you can do that just by speaking.
We have already put all of Jio's top ranked applications on this phone. Apps like Jio Music, Jio Cinema, Jio TV are already preloaded. So let's have some music. How about something patriotic? Again, let me use voice command. Jio Music pe Vande Mataram suna.
One of the great things about the JioPhone is that it has a speaker system that is more powerful than any other phone. You don't need a headphone to enjoy music or any other audio.
Great. Now let's try some cinema. Show Bahubali 2 trailer on Jio Cinema.
राजमाता शिवगामी देवी को साक्षी मानकर
Yet another useful feature, we believe, is that the JioPhone is a potential lifesaver in times of distress. Any JioPhone user can long press the number 5 button and the JioPhone will automatically send a distress message to your selected near and dear ones.
Okay, let me try that. I have added Akash as my emergency contact on my JioPhone. Let me now press the 5 button and see what happens. As you can see, it also sends your location, and this is an invaluable feature. And very soon, we will be integrating local police and other emergency services also with this feature.
We are blessed to be living in a country where we have a visionary and digital savvy leader, our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi. JioPhone fulfills his Digital India and Make in India vision. All of India can now stay in touch with his inspirational messages. Let me play the latest Man Ki Baat. Here it is.
मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, नमस्कार। अच्छा हुआ कि वर्षा ऋतु समय पर अपने नक्शे कदम पर आगे बढ़ रहा है। देश के कई भागों में झमाझम बारिश से मौसम सुहाना हो गया है।
We have shown you just a few of the capabilities of the JioPhone today. There are literally hundreds of features packed into this tiny little phone. But it's super powerful, and hundreds of more that are in development.
For example, later this year, we'll be introducing NFC technology to the JioPhone. All Indians can link their bank account, Jan Dhan account, UPI account, or any payment card to the JioPhone and make payments with a simple tap of their JioPhone. JioPhone hardware is ready for secure payments on day one, and this feature will automatically appear through a software upgrade on your phone.
Friends, young Jio engineers have spent tens of thousands of hours working hard to create the JioPhone. It's a labor of love in the service of India and Indians. Just get your hands on a JioPhone, and I promise you, your life will be transformed.
Thank you very much for allowing us the time to share the JioPhone with you.